Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a BMW X1, 69 reg, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, diamond cut alloys, remote central locking, rear parking sensors, xDrive, so it's four-wheel drive. Really nice coppery metallic colour. The newer shape front as well, as you can see. Leather heated seats with Isofix at the front. Instruction menus in here. Isofix in the rear as well. Two USB-Cs here. Electronic tailgate, Cavernous boot, obviously massive area, inflation kit here, power outlet here. This shelf obviously comes off if you want to access the boot, more room. Push this button to close it. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, quite adjustable driver's seat, automatic lights. To start the vehicle, put in the brake, push that button there, starts the vehicle. Got a pocket here with a power outlet here. Automatic, obviously, gearbox modes, different drive modes here. And a USB here. Obviously this pocket here is an armrest as well, so you can store stuff in there. Illuminated vanity mirror both sides. As you can see, vehicle's done 29,900 miles. Front and rear parking sensors. This is your self parking. When you go on here, the vehicle will park itself. Park, go on the menu. You can move these where you wish. Navigation, obviously, compass, home, media, radio there. Got no USB, you can connect your USB. Communication is your phone. Connected drive is your where it's connected drive. Manage your mobile devices there. Notifications and your vehicle. That's your settings there. No CD player because it's a newer car vehicle. So heated rear seats. Sorry, heated seats, not rear seats. Heated front seats. Dual climate. It has speed limiter, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto wipers as well. If you want to use these, this is where you drive tiptronically, basically. That's how you turn your auto wipers. You put that, it comes on the auto then. This here will alter this menu here. You have different menus there, basically, whatever you wish. Air conditioning, well, it's climate actually, climate control. I lie, that's why it says auto. Traction control. This here controls your media centre here. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button, that turns the vehicle off, as long as you get the key on you, and exit the vehicle. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.